Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Thifal Zharifa Fauziyyah. In this video, I want to show you about lines. Before we talk about lines, let's take a look at what look like lines around us. Like the rows of rice field in this picture, which look like parallel lines, and the intersection of the lines on the steel roof look like intersecting lines. Consider the following illustration. Collection of dots on the illustration that is getting close. But if it's no more distinct? Yes, collection of dots will form a line. So line is a collection of dots that are regular and continuous, and extending infinitely in both directions. Type of lines. Line have a row in two sides, and it extends indefinitely in both directions. This is part of line. Lines are generally named with lowercase letters. This can be called line P. Or we can draw a line like this and mark 2 points A and B. This will be called line AB. Line AB can also be written as AB with a tiny line drawn over it, and it can be called line BA or BA with a tiny line drawn over BA. Ray. A ray starts at a point and goes on indefinitely in one direction. What we draw is just part of a ray. We can mark this point as A and mark a point B somewhere on the ray. We can call this ray AB or wide AB with a tiny ray over it. This tells us that the ray starts at a point A and goes indefinitely in one direction. But it can be written ray BA or BA with a tiny ray over it. Line segment. Line segment has two endpoints, and it is fixed part of a line. This is its specified length, and it does not extend indefinitely in any direction. If the endpoints are A and B, this can be called line segment AB, or it can also be written as AB with a line segment over it. And yes, we can also write this as BA with a line segment over it. A line extends indefinitely in both directions. A ray starts at its endpoint and goes indefinitely in one direction. And a line segment is a fixed part of a line. Name of lines with respect to their direction. Vertical, horizontal, diagonal. Relation between lines. Parallel lines. In the picture, we see there is a zebra cross. It has lines. Look at the lines. The lines are same distance. as the two lines will never touch each other, or they will not intersect at any point. There are marks to represent parallel lines. Like if we are having two parallel lines, we can draw short lines on it. That means they are parallel lines. And we use the symbol to say line P is parallel to line T. Perpendicular lines. Now, look at the window. It has line. Look at the line. The two lines has intersect and we can get an angle. Doesn't it look familiar? Yes, it is a right angle. We can use mark to represent perpendicular line. We can draw a small box between them where they are meeting each other. And we can use this symbol to say the line BC is perpendicular to line PQ. Intersecting lines. Look at the rail. We can see the two lines meet at some point. A line is said to be perpendicular to each other line if the two lines are neither parallel nor perpendicular. They are going to meet each other and they don't form right angle. It's time to quiz. Look at the picture that's made of lines. Say the name of the line. What about the first picture? Yes, diagonal. What about the bamboo? Yes, vertical. No, what about the third picture? Yes, horizontal. Good job. And now, state the line type in the picture. Yes, this is a ray. What about this? Yes, line segment. And this? Yes, line. And now, list pairs of parallel lines. Yes, line AB is parallel to line BC. And line BA is parallel to line CB. Thanks for watching.